How cool is this? I can see cobwebs though. What the heck? Who's that? What happened? You got stuck. Did you?
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Robert and I are driving only 10 minutes out of Whanganui today to go on our next adventure. We're driving past the Whanganui East Club, which caters for caravans belonging to the NZMCA Club. And just today there are no caravans there, when usually there are always a few parked here. And this is where we top our water up from, free, as there's a bore or some artesian water here. Very handy. Now we are approaching Okoia, a little settlement just out of Whanganui. But we don't turn into the township. We'll drive for 3 kilometres along this Kaukatia Valley Road on a dusty road to find Strawn's cave. Now, it was Tansy and Caleb, Tansy being our youngest child who has just moved to Australia. It was they who told us about this cave and warned us to drive exactly 3 kilometres at the Okoia turn-off point, or we could easily drive right past. Okay, this is where we turn, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And where do we look to for 3Ks?
No, don't worry about it.
You really don't care? Okay. So, foolishly, we didn't clock the drive-in and drove right past. That must have been a local as they whizzed past us, leaving us in their dust. So, after we turned back, we eventually found Strawn's, spelt Strachan's, I think it's pronounced Strawn's, cave.
Yeah.
You can see it. Strawn's cave was built by hand by the Strawn family themselves, who were afraid for their safety during the 1850s and 60s land wars. The cave is now a Category 1 historic place, located on private land but free access for all visitors. Twist my ankle. We'll get there. Oh, he's off. Oh, he's disappeared. Is he getting to the cave? Go on, bye-bye. There we go. want to trip. I don't want to go down there. Oh, aren't you the prettiest? Hello. Getting close and personal here. So I'm holding on to the grass. Oh, it's the beachy gone. Look at this, Robert. Wow. How cool. How cool. Wow. Whoa. Neato. Oh. Hello. How cool is this? I can see cobwebs though. I'm not a real fan of spiders. There are cobwebs. Okay, let's do. Oh, what was that? What was that, bitch? Oh. Okay, torches. Got a bag, got a torch. Oh. Why did it go off? Oh, I touched it. I can hear those turkeys. Where are you, Bobby? Hello. We got to duck a bit, don't we? This was made for small people. And what is that? What the heck? Cool. There's one of the spiders. Hello. There's one that's been making these cobwebs. Oh, jingos. I don't want one of those in my hair. David and Elizabeth Strawn and their children immigrated to New Zealand in 1851 and lived in Whanganui. 2 years later, they built a house just out of Whanganui and cleared the land for a sheep farm. The property was called Launty. But feeling isolated away from the main township and worried about the imminent trouble brewing, they dug out this cave consisting of 2 chambers and 2 gun ports guarding the main entrance, and a long, narrow passage at the back of the cave guarded by a 3rd gun port that faced directly into the biggest room. The family had many scares during those war years, but they were never actually attacked. Oh! What happened? You got stuck. Did you? Oh no, Bobby. Whoa, she's getting narrow in here. Oh man. Where's the spiders? Jingos. Oh, I touched my head. No. What the heck? Who's that? Wow, it's cool, isn't it? You can see much. The torch isn't the best. Trying to dig out there. Dig out there. And back we go. Oh. Whoa. That's cool. Where are you? You can stand up. I'm standing up. You're fully erect. Yeah. Oh, what's it like? Oh, scary? Oh! Thank you, bye-bye. Right, can we get some photos? Hey, that's what I want to know now. We go.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a
Kidding? I don't want to skid. Dying to die. It's rough ground. That's it. Yay. Climb over it.
a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
You got a bit of dirt on you. Oh, you did. You couldn't fit through this small gap, bye-bye. Have I? Did I get dirty? Because I can feel myself. Yes or no? Oh, am I clean? Ah, that's boring. Okay, we'll be off.
We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.